Hello everybody, Brian here, quantlabs.net. I really screwed up something for the last couple of weeks. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, so on my store I had this product called Algo Trading Delight. I think it threw people off. Basically what it is, it's the Python course plus 2 new courses that I've added over the last few months. So let me first talk about the trading bot. A lot of you want to know how to build trading bots. Yesterday I've confirmed that I'm able to send out orders to Interactive Brokers. So that's going to be a big game changer, no longer just crypto, but also with Interactive Brokers, and that's huge. Anyways, let's go over this bot business thing. So it's to cover all the infrastructure that goes into not just crypto now, but will soon be any asset class no matter what. So basically it covers all these different sections, different programming languages. Why Python? I mean, that's pretty well given these days. Pros and cons of different languages. And namely what we're going to go through is market data wrangling, how to acquire data. We'll also have probably a new course on top of this for Interactive Brokers. It just seems that people want Python to work with a trading platform, not so much they want to raw code out a raw trading bot with not just crypto as I've built around this, but also, as I said, with mainstream brokers. Mainly Interactive Brokers is easily the most popular and the most friendly globally. So the data wrangling, I hate to say in Python, it's not fun. So we'll go over the different sources that you can get. Technical analysis with the charting using TALib. Chart Director as another module. So again, you can see how important this development is, as well as where to get other market data from crypto exchanges. CCXT is a good example of that. And then also just talking about crypto funding, but with the latest crashes on crypto, people are losing interest in crypto with direct retail exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, all that. That's from what I'm seeing. But again, we'll cover different ways to trade and get exposed to crypto safely. And I hate saying it, in a regulated environment, but that's just how it's evolved. And cover that via Interactive Brokers. So you can get exposure to crypto via Interactive Brokers. What I would recommend is more, if you haven't seen my Trading Basket videos I've been putting out, there's just way better returns in other instruments and other asset classes where the randomness, random walks of crypto make it difficult to get returns in. So that's what this course covers. All right. Now, as I said before, I made a screw up. So I'm going to give you as a separate package under a friendlier name that might attract people to basically the same product, 3 courses that I've got. The first one is Smart Money Tactics using crypto trading. Now, this is not so much programming, but it does cover a lot of the on-chain analysis, which a lot of the smart money uses, meaning institutions. You know, even though I got caught up in it in the retail trading, a lot of people don't like the name dumb money, but that's from the insiders at institutions that we, the retail market, are dumb money because we miss out on the opportunities. Whereas the institutions see the markets different ways. So this one focuses a lot on on-chain analysis and other analysis on the coin itself, namely Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's better to probably, if you're in as a fan of crypto, those are probably the better coins to be part of, to be more active in. Using chain analysis, and just focus on those because everything out there, no matter what altcoin there is, usually follows the pattern of either Ethereum or Bitcoin or both. I mean, they're pretty well co-integrated. So that's what this course focuses on, the on-chain analysis. Now the third course is really important because over the years I've talked to many people that have given up on algo trading or automated trading. And what I want to focus on is using a really good platform like MotiveWave to basically use MotiveWave to prototype backtesting as a really good example, so you don't have to blow your brains out using a Python package like Backtrader and just get caught up in the rabbit hole of backtesting that really doesn't do a lot as the market changes. A good classic example is you build something, you build a strategy. By the time you've got it working, going through the backtesting process, you will then find that you deploy the strategy or bot, and the market regime changes and it's no longer valid. Now, if you use my technique using something like MotiveWave, you will be able to see which set of instruments to focus on that are best performing over a week, month, whatever you choose. Okay, so that's really important. Another thing is when it comes to psychological and motivational, covers things like how to stay in the game and not get discouraged. A lot of people, especially younger people, want quick returns, like rags to riches, like by tomorrow. Let's get real. That's not possible. So if you feel that you're not able to do that, we cover that just to keep you in the long game. We also cover some high frequency trading scenarios, inputs for a strategy or a bot, which technical analysis indicators to use. A lot of them, I'd say about 90-95% lag. So for that, it's not the best way to go about trading. And then there's really another important is this false self-fulfilling prophecy in trading. So I'll cover those kind of topics among these two courses. Plus you get the bot course as well. These will really help you from an end-to-end solution when it comes to building with Python and classic raw coded trading bots that you're able to build, and at the same time save yourself a lot of money and really understand what's going on and the real reasons why crypto, namely Bitcoin and Ethereum, is not moving right now and what drives it. It's not what you think it is. Usually if we're using technical analysis or whatnot, it's the afterthought. There are fundamentals, newly generated fundamentals that are driving both the prices of Ethereum and Bitcoin. So we'll leave it at that. Here's the price for everything. I do put out the occasional coupon code. Really the only way to keep up to date with that is by going over to my offer page, which currently I have the quantlabs.net/banking. This alone right here is free. This one could be the best thing out there you could do to hodl or buy and hold certain crypto. It's very important to use this and believe in it. And it's a 2-hour video, free. Alright, so if you want, join that. As I said, if you go to my store, quantlabs.shop, just click on the top, the catalog. In there you'll find this product. I'll create a new product as well that will highlight Python plus the 2 bonus courses as I discussed. Same price, but I'll put out a coupon code via my email list. If you've been showing interest in this, you'll get that coupon code, and I'll put out another coupon code which won't be as generous. Okay, so we're gonna do that. If you're interested in learning about trading bots and getting ones that actually work, that you own and control. Okay, and on top of that, if you're not very technical, we're gonna have other ways to show you how to generate trading baskets that you can use to manage and get really good returns. 75%, I had one. These are annual returns, 76% today, and other ones that have been 300-400% annual returns generated as well. So even if you're non-techie, we can cover you there as well. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day. and have a good week, and hopefully it's somewhat profitable for you. Unfortunately, it's not looking too good right now. Later, and make sure you get, if you're new, jump onto this quantlabs.net/banking. That'll all get you all hooked up. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.